guys, it's Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. You'll never believe which celebrity gave me this black eye. Which celebrity gave me this black eye? Find out coming up. Okay guys, so you'll never believe which celebrity gave me these 4 stitches in a black eye. Well, it wasn't a celebrity like you think. It was this, the celebrity tomato. My love of celebrity tomatoes caused me to have yet another freak accident. I was staking these tomato plants right here in the greenhouse with these 8-foot tall T-posts, and I was using my T-post hammer when I had an accident and I slipped and it cut me right underneath my eye. Luckily, it only required 4 stitches, and I probably shouldn't have been standing on that ladder, but you know, accidents do happen. This wasn't the first time I had a T-post accident. Years ago, I had 29 stitches while a T-post was laying on the ground. I walked past it and it sliced my leg open. And well, it happens, of course. I'm trying to be more careful with T-posts, and hopefully you can learn from my mistakes and you'll be a little bit extra careful when you are staking your T-posts, and so accidents like this don't happen to you. But one thing that I have learned over the years is they make these T-post covers right here. You can get these soft T-post covers at your Tractor Supply store. They come in packs, I believe, of 25, and this basically prevents you from losing the eye if you were to get pushed into a T-post. Now here at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, we have used these for many years. All of our T-posts are covered with these right here. Especially if you have an urban farm that gets a lot of tours and has a lot of children, I recommend that you have something like this on every T-post. Now, that's not gonna stop you sometimes from getting 4 stitches in a black eye or 29 stitches on a leg, but you know, it could help in a pinch and it could save your life and someone else's life. So I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I hope you enjoyed this tip. I'm gonna try to be safe around these T-posts, and I will see you in the next video.